Unveiling the toaster oven, a handy kitchen companion. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and usage of the term toaster oven. It's a common appliance in many households around the world, and understanding its function can be useful in both everyday conversation and kitchen adventures. A toaster oven is a small electric oven that has a front door, wire rack, and removable baking pan. Unlike a traditional oven, a toaster oven is compact and sits on your countertop. It's designed to toast, bake, and roast food items on a smaller scale. They are incredibly versatile and can handle tasks ranging from making toast to baking cookies. Toaster ovens are known for their multifunctionality. They can perform the following: toasting bread and bagels, baking small batches of baked goods or pizza, roasting vegetables or small cuts of meat, reheating leftovers without making them soggy, like a microwave often does. The temperature settings and timers provide control over cooking, which is why they're a favorite in many kitchens. Why choose a toaster oven over a traditional oven? Toaster ovens are energy efficient. They use less electricity. Time-saving. They preheat faster. Space-saving. Ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Convenient. Perfect for quick meals and snacks. Maintaining a toaster oven is important for safety and efficiency. Here are some tips. Clean regularly to avoid buildup of food particles. Inspect the elements for wear and tear. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best performance. We hope this video has shed light on the humble yet mighty toaster oven, and you feel more confident about using this term and appliance in your English conversations. Happy toasting, baking, and roasting! Stay tuned for more practical English language tips.